Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have a dry, primed black canvas and I'm going to swipe some colors in place and scrape them away, I think. I say I think because I don't know. I just have to start, and if I don't like things how things are going, I will do something else. Starting with shaking my bottles of paint. Grab some. That was some pink diamond and some hot orchid from Color Art. This is some Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. I want some real... Oh, that's excellent. My electric blue from Arteza is open. That's a really good thing. I'm going to use a little more. I don't actually want to scrape yet. I do want that bottle to not knock everything out of the way. And I have some purple. Where is my purple? I believe this is also an Artist Loft. I want to try and leave some negative space. I'm not sure I'm capable of it, but I'm going to try. So this is supposed to be geometric, and it may or may not get scraped. But I'm loving my colors. And it's back to the pink. Maybe a double dose this time. I'll put some gold down there. It's all an experiment. Like I said, I may definitely scrape. But that's a sort of a strange color, but I think I'm going to use it. If there's any coming out. I think that's a dead soldier. Oh darn, I'm going to have to empty that into something else. Well, I've got some fiery red. Oh, I've just found some other orange. Always a good question whether I should take more color off. And all this is meant to help me scrape. I'm not scraping much so far. And I'm not leaving enough black space either. But whatever I learned from this will go into another painting. I want some of that to go right there because I can. I want more blue. That was different. Maybe if I start with the blue down there. I love leaving the other colors in my card. What do I want with that? I think the turquoise. I'd like to request the peanut gallery not swear. Hopefully that was, please. That's that pink. Somebody's in the kitchen having an interesting time, evidently. I think I want more purple. Did I say that this was an amethyst from Artist Loft? I meant to. I want to sneak a little bit of that. Yeah, that's the emerald green from Folk Art. Actually, it's from Decor Americana, my mistake. I think a little will go a long way. Now I have to decide if I'm going to scrape or not. And what else I might want to do. I don't mind any of that, and I could use my small scraper, and that might be okay. I like leaving the residuals in those little gaps on the edges. That's kind of fun. Ooh, I like what the white does when I've got paint on my card. I did manage to leave some gaps. Some of the black, which is definitely what I intended. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to do it though. That wants to come back this way. I don't know, I really haven't made up my mind. I took it off, I put it back. I like the idea of hitting the same spot twice and making layers of color. I'm just changing up the patterns. I think I want to put just a few dots of the electric blue. Yeah, and make a stripe. I like doing that. I need to make a whole painting like that. Adding dots to a swipe card and then just pulling them. Alright, if I'm going to do it, I better do it now. Oh, I'm afraid I'm going to ruin something I like. Let's make sure I have all of the paint that I can get off my card. Fill in the little gaps. Looks like pretty good. So now that's not too bad. I'm not hating that. I should have gone from the other direction. Still not hating it. I so wanted to do this too. If the paint is too heavy, it's gonna get goopy. I will link the tool video tutorial on how to make these right underneath. You don't have to go the whole distance. It doesn't seem to be a bad idea if it's a little sticky. It scrapes up easier. And I could probably use my dots somewhere. Let's try this. It's different. I'm not sure I'm in love yet, but it's what I wanted to experiment with, and I'm not feeling bad about it. You need a fair amount of pressure. I like it. I want to put the dots back in. Maybe I should have left some squares undone, but I'll have to think about that for another time. I love that we leave some cells behind. And there, that's pretty well done. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you I have a link tree and it's under my video. If you're interested in helping support the studio, you can also get yourself entered into the monthly drawing for paintings, and you can see the prizes included on the end screen video of this video at the beginning of the exhibition video. Yeah, I'm still having too much fun officially. I think that was a good mark. And I still have a space. Is it the only space? Ooh, it might be the only space. I don't need the only space to be right there. There we go. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that I have 2,300 videos, 2,200 of them that are easily found on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, by going to my YouTube channel and looking for all playlists, creative playlists. And if you need a link, just ask me, because I've got everything organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And yes, I'm still playing. I could zoom in. I got one green square. Hey, that looks pretty good from up here. That was a good experiment. I may go larger soon. Anyway, my link tree under the video has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. It has my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America. Also on the link tree. Oh, yeah. My email address is underneath the link tree, and it's EASPB, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up and share my videos. When you watch them longer, it helps my standing on YouTube. I really appreciate you guys. You leave me nice comments, and it helps my morale keep boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. I really appreciate them. And shop my Amazon link on the link tree. I have 2 books there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, and they're pretty good. They're the first and the second 100 videos and a very in-depth description of the processes. And eventually you can have an ebook if you want for like $10, and you'll have all the links to all those videos too, which is pretty cool. Okay, I don't know what I forgot. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video on Le Gallerist. On the link tree, you'll find Le Gallerist. Le Gallerist is clothing made in Montreal. It's all over prints, and it's investment quality clothing. Really cool stuff. I also have a brand new Society 6 store, and this will probably go on there. I like that I left some negative space. I'm really glad that you guys are here. Thank you so much. If you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for tomorrow's video, check out my community board on my channel, and you'll probably find it there. If there's anything I can do, I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork, and use that email to contact me if you'd like information on either one of those 2 things. I do torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and I will do that after you're gone very carefully. I love you guys very much. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you when on.